Hi Libra, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 20th of December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what these cards have in store for you. Also, if you're new to my channel, I would request you to please go ahead and like, share and subscribe. It really keeps me motivated to create videos for all of you. Now, the first card that I see for you is the Death card, the Ten of Swords, and the Ace of Swords. Person B here has the Seven of Pentacles, the Sun card, and the Hermit card. Bottom of the deck, I have Page of Wands, which means immature energy because that's more focused towards wand, and wands talk about passion, sex, physical attraction. Now from the first set of cards, I see you have the Death card, which means there's some kind of transformation which is required. With the second card, which is Ten of Swords, it could mean that there is some kind of backstabbing, cheating that you may feel that has happened. So you have that feeling that you have been backstabbed, okay? The third card for you is Ace of Swords. It shows that there is something that you want to go ahead and talk to with regards to some information that you may have received. So you will look for a new beginning, but only when you have a very honest conversation with this person. Now the person B here, the first card for them is Seven of Pentacles. This shows that a lot of patience, plus hard work is required. So this person has to deal with you very, very patiently in order to give you time, and also in order to give this relationship some time. Now the second card here is the Sun card, which is a very positive sign. The Sun energy is positive because it's the energy where everything comes out in the open, okay? And the Sun energy is one where you want to go ahead and take things forward. So like when the sun comes out, it's a bright sunny day, you want to go ahead and plan things of what you want to do for that day. The same way with that Sun energy, you want to go ahead and plan what you want to do in this relationship. The third card for this person is the Hermit card, which shows that they will also get into the Virgo energy, where they will reflect and see what is happening in this relationship, what did they do, and why are things the way they are right now. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person. So the first card is Four of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, and Three of Wands. With Four of Pentacles, it's the Mice energy, where this person doesn't want to put in any effort. Along with that, they also don't want to share their time, money, energy with anybody. The second card is Nine of Wands, which means that they will build a wall around themselves. That's kind of a defensive nature that they will go ahead and show for some time. And the third card is Three of Wands, which means that they will get stuck in some situation as well. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see is a new romantic cycle begins. This means that in some cases this person will move together in a new relationship, or they will let go of whatever happened in the past, and that's when they would want to go ahead and have a new relationship with you. A new start, a new beginning is what you can expect from them. Now let's quickly go ahead and also see what is the message we have from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Black Onyx. The crystal message is, are you trying to reach a goal and keep getting pulled off course? Maintain your focus, identify and release distractions keeping you from moving forward. Visualize your future. Know that you can easily work through any issues that may arise. Success is yours. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Michael, which I'll put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.